So after we're done explaining the how the code flow inside the program. So now let's see the result or the output of this program. So let's run. See, let's take a run. Let's just wait. So here, it show the first printf, which is enter an any array value. So now it shows array 00, which is array 0 row and 0 column. So this position, like what I explained in the video earlier. So we need to input a value, any value here. So like I input 48. So the next step is it will going to ask for 0 and 01, which is from row 0 and column 1, since we use our row major. So it start from 0 like this. So as you can see, it show the 01, which is row 0. So we need to put value. So start 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and put 64, 65 like that. Column 0, 0, 0, 54, 0, 0, 0, then put again another value, which I put 35, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 42. So sparse matrix. So here, as you can see, I put the value which display the array values. So by using this value here, as you can see here in the display array value. So after it exit the loop, so it's done now from inner loop and the outer loop. Here, I'm going to show you. So after it's done in this he go to this loop, and if will become this loop will become false also, it will go down here to the next loop, which is the print display the array values. And now after it display the array values, it now go to another loop, which is here the another loop, the another for loop from inner loop and out from outer loop and inner loop. So like this, if it is go here, it will go to the uh, outer loop and then go again to the inner loop. And if it exceeds the inner loop, it will go down here like like this. After it is done here on the inner loop, it will go here, and after it done the outer loop, it will go down here to another loop. So as you can see here, 48, 0, 0, 0. So as you can see from row 0 and column 0, as we enter this position, as we enter here, as we enter here like this, 48, 65, 54, 35, 74, 54, this position. So as you can see here, 48, the first value we input from 0, 0 like this. So from row 0 and column 0, which is the value of 48. So the next is 0 from row 0 and column 7, which is in this position here. And the next one is from 1 and 4. So here, next is from 2, uh, from 2, 1 and 4 again. So here, 1 and 4. Then 2, 0. then 3, 4 here, oh, 3, 4, 3, 4. Then the last value we input is from the 4, 5, which is in this position. So after that, after we input that value, after it exit in this loop, after it exit in this loop, after it exit in this loop, it will go down here in another loop, which is another 4 loops here, another 4 loops, and after that, it go to this loop, which is another nested for loop, nested for loops, and use again another if statement. So here, as you can see, so for I after it check, so if k is not equal to 0, so if you enter a k that is not equal to 0, it will print the percent d percent d percent d, which is the row which is from 0 to 6, and 0 to 5, I mean 0 to 5, the column which is 0 to 7, and the next is the value. So here, like this, so this is the row, this is the row, this is the column, and this is the value. So here I show you. So here, so as you can see here, that's why it show this value, and like it is just an arrangement because we input here the value which is from here too. So let's try another. Let's try another. So 6, 4, 16, 0, 0, 85, 0, 0, 14, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 96. So as you can see here, again, it is a sparse matrix also. So as you can see, the zero value will not be recorded, and it will become no it is it will become recorded if you input value that are non-zero, which is the value from 1 and above. And by reflection, this or on these activities, I learned so many things about the 2D array and its two type of arrangement, the column major and the row major, and how the code flow in the array. And by using the 2D array, you can create a table with a column row, and also you can sort the arrangement of the array. And many things you can do in the array. So program that I explained earlier is what we call a sparse matrix, which the zero values will not be printed to the array values, and just continue looping in the inner loop until it becomes false, and then exit the inner loop and go back to the outer loop, which is from here. But when the outer loop will also become false, then it will exit the loop and go again to another position, which is the printf this position. And if all the inner loop are done, then it will exit the program. So this activity was a lot of excitement and make me gain more knowledge about the C programming. So programming that like me are not very familiar with R. So by making this, that helped me realize that I still need to learn and focus on study. But in the end, I finally get it and explain the code very well. By making the flowchart or seeing the flowchart or how the program flow inside the code. So that helps me understand the code faster. That's why I can explain the program well. And that's all. Thank you for watching and listening my video. Hope you enjoy. Goodbye. So I show you my preset. So this is my flowchart or how code or how my code flow in the program. So that's all. Thank you.